First of all, happy Ugadi and Gudi Padwa to all of you. So, we saw a lot of achievements being mentioned by our Vice Chancellor and the student representative. The success of VIT can be attributed to our students, faculty, and staff, ably led by a GV, great visionary. That's the reason for our success. I'm very proud that so many achievements have been made in the last year. The students, one of the best things about VIT is that students learn a lot outside the classroom too. It's not just what is being taught in the classroom, there is a lot which goes on outside the classroom. So this is one of the most active campuses in the country, I would say. Every day, if you just go around in the evening, you will see so many events going on, whether it's in the Greeno or Foodies or this auditorium. I happened to attend a few of them. I was really impressed. For example, the SAE Baja event, they built a all-terrain vehicle from scratch. Every component was made by them. They are so proud about that car. Or they built an Albatross. The Assailing Falcons Club built an Albatross plane, the toy plane, amazing. I was more impressed with this BIF club, where they brought in the cancer-affected children and hosted them here for a day, not just provided them food and showed them the campus. They sang and danced for every kid there. Let's give a big round of applause to all those students. Our students, they care about, cancer-affected children. I mean, those cancer-affected children, I could see the happiness in them, that somebody caring for them so much. So, what I like most about VIT student activities, the clubs and chapters. So that's why we decided that, we will double the funding and double the number of clubs and chapters in VIT, so that moving forward, we have been talking to Pro VC also, moving forward, every activity the student wants to do, music or dance, of course our dance club is really amazing. It's really professional and impressive. So, there's a lot you can learn outside the classroom, because even in life, it's not just about your knowledge, right? The overall personality of the student is very important. That's what VIT cares about. At this juncture, I also want to mention about one survey which NASSCOM did in 2017 in partnership with the Boston Consulting Group. So they wanted to predict for the next 10 years, what are the technologies, the disruptive technologies where the jobs will be. So they identified some 55 job roles and identified 8 areas where there will be a lot of jobs. Robotic process automation, artificial intelligence, virtual reality, IoT, social and mobile, big data analytics, cloud computing, and 3D printing. These are the 8 areas NASSCOM has identified. This is a global survey, not just India, global survey, where there will be future jobs. The point I'm going to make is that you may not be a computer science student, but you should be able to use computer science in your area. Gone are the days where people would say that drawing is the language of engineers. Actually, programming has become the language of engineers. If you are a civil engineer or a chemical engineer or a mechanical engineer or an electronics engineer, doesn't matter, or even a science graduate, you should be able to program well and solve your engineering problems using programming language. And that's going to help you a lot. For example, if you are a civil student, think of your theodolite being connected. It should be an IoT device. Everything has become, it's a connected world. Everything, even if you look at the cyber physical systems, the manufacturing, all the robots which are manufacturing are going to talk to each other through net. So, you need to innovate and make sure that in your area, you will be able to get the latest and greatest. I want to leave you with one quote. Genius is 1% inspiration, but 99% perspiration. Thank you.